Okay, so in last class we have started probability and we were doing the conditional probability. Okay, I have already shared the assignment with all of you, and okay, so please complete that and share with me. Now, today's topic is multiplication theorem, multiplication, multiplication theorem of probability, multiplication theorem of probability. Okay. Okay. Uh, you won't be able to submit assignments. Okay. Okay. Okay, Zephyr, it's fine then. Multiplication theorem of probability. Okay. So we already know we have this formula PA by B, which is equal to PA. Okay. Sorry. PA intersection B by PB. We have this formula. Now, if we need to find PA intersection B, suppose we need this one, P intersection B, then what we can do, we can shift this PB on this side. So the formula will become PB into PA by B. Okay. And what is mean by this P intersection B means probability of A and probability of A and B. Okay. So this is what, this is nothing, it is P intersection B, and this is equal to PB into PA by B. Okay. So whenever we need to find the probability of A and B, that means PA intersection B, then we will use this formula PB into PA by B. So what type of questions will be asked from this topic? The question will be like this: a bag contain a bag contain a bag contain 5 red and 10 black balls and 10 black balls. If two balls are drawn, if two balls are drawn one by one by one without replacement, without replacement, without replacement, then find the probability, then find the probability, find the probability that the first ball, that the first ball, that the first ball is red and second is black. Second is black. Okay. So if we will take the events like this, let A be the event, the event, the event of getting first red ball, first red ball. B be the event of getting second black ball, second black ball. Then we need to find probability of A and B, probability of A and B, which is nothing. We need P intersection B, PA intersection B. Okay, now who can tell me? Saf, please tell me, in this case, which event has first occurred, A or B?
Yes, sir.
A has already occurred. Okay, so that means we will write like this. This is equal to PA into PB by A. Because A has already occurred, that's why we will write B by A. Okay, then we will see how can we find this B and B by A. So please tell me, this is clear to all of you, this theorem. Noma, you have just joined, so you have missed one class of conditional probability. Do you have the basic idea about that?
Yes, sir, just the formula.
Okay, okay, okay. Okay, so please check the recorded lectures. Okay. Uh, Next is, okay. So Josefa, Saf, Nabil, is it clear? This formula is clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Josefa, Saf, clear up to here?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Josefa, is it clear? Okay, great. Now PA, okay, probability of A. What is A? A is the getting the red ball in the first draw. So always remember that if the case is of selection, then please use the combination method. Do not solve the question directly. Okay, because if you're drawing a single ball, then if you're doing solving by combination method or by direct method, you will get the same answer. But when you are drawing a ball more than one, in that case, the answer will differ. So always remember, whenever you have a case of selection, then always use a combination method. Okay. Now PA. So what is the probability? Favorable by total. What is the favorable? Here we have a five red ball. Okay. We need to select one red ball. So how can we select 5C1 by what is the total? 10, 5, 15. And we are selecting one ball. So 5C1 by 15C1. I hope all of you remember the formula. Formula is NPR. This is equal to n factorial by r factorial n minus r factorial. Okay. If anyone have any doubt in this formula, please let me know. Okay. This is sorry. This is NCR. NCR is equal to, yeah. Nabil, you have a doubt?
Yes, sir. Could you repeat how you got the P of A part again? The 5C1 by 15C1 part.
Okay, okay, okay. I will. Okay, first of all, remember please this formula. NCR is n factorial by r factorial n minus r factorial. Okay, so in this case, factorial means suppose you have a 3 factorials, that means 3 into 2 into 1. Now, check here. PA is what? Favorable by total. So favorable is what? You are drawing the red ball, one red ball. So favorable, we have 5 red ball. From this, we are selecting one red ball. That's why our favorable is 5C1. Okay. What is the formula of probability? Favorable by total. Okay. If you will solve this question directly, what you will do? You have a 5 red ball and total you have a 15. So you will write 5 by 15. Is it fine, Nabil? If you solve this directly, you will write 5 by 15. Is it fine?
Can you repeat, sir?
Yeah, I'm saying that uh, if you will solve this question directly, you are finding the probability of getting first red ball, then this will be 5 by 15. Normally you do like this only, favorable by total.
Yes, sir.
Okay, but I'm saying to you to use a combination method, to use a combination formula. Okay, so all of you please check here. We will use this formula NCR. N is the total items which are present. R is the items which we are selecting from in. Okay, now in numerator, what we need a red ball. So one red ball you will select from 5 red only. Okay, so this will be 5C1 and total is 15C1. Is it clear, Nabil?
Yes, sir.
Okay, great, great. Okay, so we get 5C1 by this. So if you will solve this one, what you will get? 5 factorial by 1 factorial. Okay, this formula. N minus R. N minus R means 5 minus 1, which will give you 4 factorial. Okay, and this denominator, I do not have the space, so I'm writing here. 15C1 means 15 factorial by 1 factorial. 15 minus 1 is 14 factorial. Okay, if you will solve this 5 factorial, this will become 5 into 4 factorial. You can expand like this. 4 will get cancelled out. So in numerator, you will get a 5. Here also 5 into 14 factorial. So cancel out this. What you will get 5 by 15, which will give you 1 by 3. Okay. Next, we need to find PB by A. A has already occurred. PB by A. We need to find this value. So back have 5 red and 10 black ball. One ball we have already drawn, one red ball we have already drawn. Now the remaining balls are 4 red and 10 black balls. We need B by A. B by A means we need a black ball. Then who can tell me? Saf. Saf, can you tell me what is will be B by A?
Is it 10 factorial by 1 factorial
10 C1. Okay, first we will write like this. 10 C1 by
4C1?
4
No,
or 14?
4C0.
Not 14 C1.
Yes, sir. Yes. Sorry.
Okay. Uh, all of you, please check here. Black balls are 10, so 10 C1. Total remaining are 14. 10 plus 4, now it is 14. So this will give you again 10 factorial by 1 factorial into 9 factorial by 14 factorial by 1 into 13 factorial. Okay. So this 10 will can be written as 10 into 9 factorial. This will cancel out. 14 into 13 factorial. This will also cancel out. So here you will get 10 by 14, which will give you 5 by 7. Okay, what we need A intersection B. So the formula is PA into B by A. So this will give you what? What is PA? PA is 1 by
1
3.
by 3.
Yeah, good. B by A is 5 by 7. So this will give you 5 by 21. Okay, so this is a multiplication theorem of probability. Okay, now we have this formula P intersection B. This is equal to B into PA by B. I have considered that B has already occurred. Okay, the same formula can be expanded up to 3 events also. Okay, that I will tell you later on. So please note down this heading, note down this formula. There is no need to note down this question. Okay, I will give you a fresh question. Numa, this is clear to you?
Yes, sir.
Okay, Numa, in the meantime, I will tell you what is a conditional probability. Or do one thing. Numa, note down this. Okay, then I will give a question and I will explain you the conditional probability. When you have your pre-boots, Numa?
So 9 January.
9 January. Okay.
Math is on 24 Jan.
Maths is on 24. So this is our last chapter. Okay, 9 January. So next week. Hopefully, I will complete this chapter till 14 and 15. Okay. Okay, so all of you, please note down this. Raise your hand. Then I will change the slide. Okay.
Sir, should we copy the question as well?
No, sir. I will give you a new question. Okay. All of you, please raise your hands once it is done. There is no need to note down the question. Okay, no more.
Sir,
Great.
can you say what does N and R mean in NCR?
Yes. So this you have done last year. NCR, N means total items. Okay. For example, if you have a bag which consists of 10 balls, and from this balls you need to select 2 balls. Okay. So total is 10 and R is 2. Is it fine, Nabil?
Yes, sir.
So in the numerator, first we need the red ball. Okay. So we have 5 red ball. And out of this, we need to select 1 red ball. That's why we have written 5C1. Okay. So I hope everyone has noted down this. Is it done, Nabil? Nabil, is it done?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So I hope everyone has done this. Please try this question. Question first is a bag contains 10 white and 15 black balls. Two balls are drawn. Two balls are drawn in succession. Two balls are drawn in succession without replacement. Without replacement. What is the probability? What is the probability that the first is white? That the first is white and second is black. Second is black. Okay. Please try this question. Share your answer. In the meantime, Noma, I will explain you what's the conditional probability. First thing, this one, PA by B means probability of A when B has already occurred. When B has already occurred. Okay, and its formula is PA intersection B by PB. Okay, this is the formula. The event which has already occurred, we will shift that to the denominator, and you can use this formula or you can use this formula, N intersection B by NB. Okay, for example, we have a question: a die is thrown 2 times, or 2 dice are thrown. 2 dice are thrown. If A is the event, if A is the event of getting a sum greater than 12, and B is the event, of getting even number on the first die, okay, then find PA by B. All of you need to solve this question. Okay, PA by B. Okay, Noma. So as per this formula will be A intersection B by NB. Now we need to find out the events first. Okay, so sample space you already know. This will start from 1 1 1 2 up to 1 6. Okay, and so on up to 6 1 to 6 6. Okay, this is the sample space. Now NB means of getting a number, of getting even number. So B, if we will write on the first die, so that means B can have a value 2, 2 1, 2 2 up to 2 6. Similarly 4 1 up to 4 6, 6 1 up to 6 6. Okay, and what is a number greater than 12? So greater than 12 means 1 will not come, 2 will not come. Oh, sorry, not greater than 12, greater than 8. Okay, so 1 will not come, 2 will not come, 3, 3 comma 6, 4 comma 5, 4 comma 6, then 5 comma 4, 5 comma 5, and 5 comma 6. Next is 6 comma 3, 6 comma 4, 6 comma 5, 6 comma 6. Okay, so first you need to find NB. So NB will be 1 2 3 18, and A intersection B. So intersection will be what? So this will not, we will take this 2, this will not this one 1 2 3 4. So 1 2 3 4 5 6. So this will be 6. Is it clear, Numa?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so the probability A by B, this will be equal to intersection is 6 by NB is 18. Okay, so on the basis of this, we have already done the question last week. Now the next topic is multiplication theorem. Okay, so this will be given out, this you need to find out, but in the question mainly they will ask this one, A intersection. Okay, so for that you have to use the previous formula. Now please try this question number 1 and share your answer, or let me know if anyone have a doubt. Is it done? Anyone has done this question number
Sir,
first?
here getting black ball is B or getting A ball is O?
It's your
Uh,
wish, but if I will tell you the first or the second, okay, what is the probability? First is white, second is black. So it's your wish. You can take this as A, take this as B, but the A has already occurred in that case.
yes, sir.
Okay, very good, Saf. This is correct. You're getting the correct answer. Anyone else get the answer? Please let me know.
Sir, is it 1/4?
Very good, Nabil. It is correct. Good. So who's left? Josefa and Noma. Is it done? Josefa and Noma. Is it done? Or you have
Sir,
a doubt?
I'm doing.
You're doing? Okay, okay. Josefa, is it done? Okay, great. 1/4 is the answer. Okay, so in the meantime, I will write a new question. Then please try this question. Okay. Numa, last one was done.
Yes, sir. I'm getting 1 by 4.
Very, very good. That's correct. Now please start this question with 2. Okay. Okay. So please check here. If you don't know about the cards, I will tell you. Total cards we have 52. Total cards we have 52. Okay. We have a diamond. We have heart. We have a spade. Heart. We have a spade. We have club. Okay. 13 by 68. Saf, I think it is not correct. Just give me some time, okay? I will check it. So diamond shape is like this. This is a red card. Heart shape is like this. This is also a red card. Okay. Then you have a club. Club is like this. Okay, this is a black card. Then you have a spade. Spade is like this. Okay, this is also a black card. Now the card will start from A, then 2, then 3 up to 10. Then you have Jack, King, and Queen. Okay, these are face cards. These are face cards. Okay, similarly in heart also you have a, then 2, 3 up to 10. Then you have Jack, King, and Queen. Similarly here also you have Ace, 2, 3 up to 10. Then you have Jack, King, and Queen. Then Ace, 2, 3 up to 10. Then you have Jack, King, and Queen. Okay, so total if you will count this, these are 13, 13, 13, and 13. Okay, Nabil, can you do now? Nabil, can you do this
Yes, sir.
question now? Okay,
Yes,
okay,
sir.
great. So everyone, please try to solve this and share your answer. So the answer is 1 by 17, Saf. Saf, what you are getting PA?
I'm 1/4.
Very good. What you are getting PB by?
13/17.
Uh, no, in numerator you should have 12 now, and the denominator you should have 51. Are you getting this? Saf, are you getting this one?
No.
Please check it. Okay, because one card you have already drawn, a diamond you have already drawn. So next time, total diamond will be 12 and total cards will be 51. Okay, please try this. Very good, sir. That is correct. Zephyr, Nabil, Noma, do you get the answer? Noma, Zephyr, Nabil, is it done? Is it done, all of you? Noma, Nabil, Saf, is it done?
Sir, I was getting PA 1 by 4.
Done, sir.
Great, that's correct. What you are getting PB by?
Sir, can you please solve that?
Okay, okay, okay. All of you, please check here. So find the probability of drawing a diamond card in each of the two consecutive draws. Okay. So A, I will write the short form. Okay, first diamond. Second PB, second diamond. Okay. Now what is PA? Total diamond we have 13. From this we are selecting one. Total card 52, C1. Always remember 32. Okay, so it is 1 by 4. It is correct. Now we are finding PB by A. B by A means A has already occurred. So the diamond that we have drawn one diamond. How many diamonds are remaining now? Noma, how many diamonds are now remaining? Noma, my voice is audible. You are on mute right now.
Yes, sir.
Who can
Sir,
tell
your
me?
voice is
Nabil?
lagging.
Nabil, my voice is audible. Oh, okay. Okay. Is it fine, Noma, now?
Yes, sir.
No?
Yes, sir, it's fine now.
Okay. So Noma, B by A. So okay, B by A. So how many diamonds are remaining now?
12.
12. Yes, 12 C1. Okay. How many total cards are there? 51 C1 now. So 12 C1 means 12 by 51. Cancel out this 4. So this is 4 by 17. Okay. So you need to find PA intersection B, which is equal to PA into PB by A. So what is PA? PA is 1 by 4. What is B by 8 is 4 by 17. 4 will cancel out, so you will get a 1 by 17. Is it clear? Numa,
Yes, sir, clear.
Nabil, Huzefa, is it clear?
Yes.
Okay, great. Nabil, Huzefa, is it clear? Okay, great. Huzefa, is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so we are going to start next question. Okay, great. Now next one. Next
Go
is
to
a
the
bag
previous slide.
contains. Okay, Joseph, I
Sir,
got your message. Next is a bag contains.
sir, could you go to the
Okay.
previous slide first?
Note down this and confirm. This one?
Yes, this moment.
Please let me know, Nabil, when I need to.
No, sir, the next one.
Next one? Okay. Is it done? Nabil, is it done now?
Just a second, sir.
Okay.
Done, sir.
Okay. Now next one. A bag contains 5 white, 7 red, and 8 black balls. 8 black balls. Okay. If 4 balls, if 4 balls are drawn, 4 balls are drawn one by one, without replacement, without replacement. Find the probability, find the probability, probability of getting, of getting all white balls, of getting all white balls. Okay. Now the formula when 4 events are given. Okay. So we have checked the formula for 2. Now the formula for 3 and 4 will be like this. A has already occurred into B by A into when B and A both are occurred, then probability of C will be AB. Okay, this means probability of C when AB has already occurred, probability of D when ABC occurred. Okay, so I know you can solve this question. Please try this. Okay, and in case you have a doubt, please let me know.
Sir, in the previous question, why are you taking for P of A the denominator 52 by C2?
52 by
C2, sir. Why we took 2 in the part of C?
where I have written 52 C1 C2. It is 52 C1. Okay, Nabil.
Yes, sir.
Nabil, is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Okay. So anyone get this answer? Or let me know if anyone have a doubt. Okay. Everyone, please let me know if you have a doubt in this question. Okay. Anyone get the answer? Zephyr, Saf, Nabil, Noma, or anyone have a doubt?
1 minute, sir.
Okay. If anyone have a doubt, please let me know. Okay. Stuff PA is 1/4. Find the probability of getting all white. So 5, 12, 5. Yes, that's correct. 1/4. What's the next one? PB by A.
I'm doing, sir.
If anyone have a problem, please let me know. Okay, I will give you 2 more minutes. Then I have to start a new topic. Okay. Okay. Uh, 4 by 19. You're drawing a whiteness F, so it should be 4 by 19. All of you, please check here. Uh, a bag contains 5 white, 7 red, 8 black. If 4 balls are drawn one by one without replacement, find the probability of getting all white ball. Okay, so A be the event, first white, first white. B is the event, second white. C is the event, third white. And D be the event, fourth white. Okay, so PA is what? PA is 5 by 20. So this will give you 1 by 4. PB is what? If you have drawn one white, so remaining will be 4. So 4 by 19. Sorry, this is not PB. This is P by A. This is P by A. So this is what? 4 by 19. Next, P C by AB. C by AB. Okay. So remaining are 3 by 18. And next is PD by AB. ABC. So this will be 2 by 17. This is clear, Saf?
Yes, sir.
This, okay. Josefa, is it clear this? Nabil, Noma, this clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, good. Okay, good. So now you just need to multiply this. Okay. So please note down this. The multiplication part you can do later on. Okay. I need to start a new topic. Please raise your hands if it is done. Then we will start a next topic.
Sir, here we want to use the combination one, the C in
Okay, okay.
CR.
Okay. Sorry, I have missed this. So 5C1 by 20C1. Here 4C1 by 19C1. Okay. 3C1 by 18C1. 2C1 by 17C1. Actually, what happened? 2C1 is always 2. Okay. But if you're finding 2C2, this will give you a different answer. Okay. So that's why I've written this directly. But yes, it is good to use a combination. I hope this is clear to everyone. Now we can start next topic. Okay. Next is independent events. This you have done in class, independent events. So anyone can tell me what are independent events?
Intersection is 5.
Intersection is 5, yes, that's correct. Events are said to be independent. Events are said to be independent if the occurrence or non-occurrence of a event does not affect does not affect the probability of other does not affect the probability of other. Okay, events are said to be independent if the occurrence or non-occurrence of an event does not affect the probability of other. Okay, we will take example. Suppose we have a box. This consists of 5 red and 10 black balls. Okay, let A be the event of drawing a red ball. Okay, so who can tell me what's the probability of A? Saf?
1
Yes.
by 3.
Yes, 5 by 15. So this will give you 1 by 3. Okay, 1 by 3. Now, what we have done, we have drawn this red ball and again replaced in the same bag. Okay, so the question is, we have drawn a red ball, we have checked its color and again replaced in the same bag. Okay, so let B be getting black ball, second black ball. Okay, second means second times when we are drawing a ball, second black ball. B is this event. So PB by A. Nabil, can you tell me what will be the probability of PB by A? Second black ball. Nabil?
So 10 by 14.
10 by why 14? We have drawn a ball, we have checked its color, and again replaced in the same bag. So what's it?
10 by 15.
10 by 15. Okay. Now, if suppose now PB by is 10 by 15. Now, when we have drawn the first red ball, is it affect the probability of B? A is affecting the probability of B or not?
No, sir.
No.
No, because we are again replacing in the same bag. So A is not affecting the probability of B. So we can say that PB by this is equal to PB. You're finding PB or you're finding B by, that's the same thing. Why? Because A is not affecting B. So when A and B are independent events, then we can say B by A is PB. Now what is this? PA intersection B? The formula is PA into PA by B. Okay. So in this case, sorry, not P, B by. Okay. So in this case, what is P by A? We can say that this is nothing, it is PB. Why? Because the A is not affecting B. So we can, in place of this, we can write for the independent event P into PB. Okay. So that's why when events are independent, then we have this formula, let A and B are independent events. Let A and B are independent events. Then PA intersection B is what? This is equal to PA into PB. This is clear. Huzefa, Saf, Nabil, Noma. This is clear.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Okay, Huzefa, please message me if this is clear. Okay, so in case of independent event, we have this formula PA intersection B is equal to PA into PB. Okay, so here the A is not affecting the probability of B. So in 1 mark question, they can give you two events, even they can give you the probability also in 1 mark question. And they will ask you check whether these two events are independent or not. So whenever they are asking you to check the events are independent or not, you have to use this formula. P intersection B is equal to P into PB. If LHS is equal to RHS, then we will say the events are independent. Otherwise, the events are not. So please note down this, raise your hands, then we will start a question. Okay, no need to note down this, just note down definition and note down this formula, then we will start the questions. A question, or I will write the question here. A coin is tossed. Coin is tossed thrice. A coin is tossed thrice, and all eight all eight outcomes are equally likely. Equally likely. Okay. E the first throw results in hit. Okay. F the last throw results in tail. Results in tail. Okay, prove that events E and F are independent. Are independent. Okay. Please try this question. I will give you 5 minutes for this. Okay. So here you need to find this intersection. You need to find PA. You need to find PB. You need to check LHS is equal to RHS or not. Okay. Please try. All of you, please write the complete sample space. Okay. Then write the event. Then solve this question. Zephyr, do you get the answer? Anyone? Zephyr, Saf, Nabil, Noma. Do you have any doubt? Shall I solve this question? Zephyr, Saf, Nabil, Noma. Shall I solve this?
1 minute, sir.
Okay, okay,
So,
okay.
Yes, sir, done.
Saf, is this independent event or not?
Yes, sir.
Okay, great, great. Zephyr, Nabil, Noma.
done, sir.
Is it independent?
Yes, sir.
Great. Noma, Zephyr.
Yes, sir.
Okay, good. Zephyr. Okay, great. Our next question. Next is a die is marked. A die is marked 1, 2, 3 in red and 4, 5, 6 in green is tossed. Let A be the event. Let A be the event. Let A be the event. Number is even. Number is even. And B be the event. And B be the event. Number is right. Number is right. Okay. Are A and B are A and B independent? Okay. So all of you please try this question. And okay, and this question came in CBSE 2019. Okay, this is a very good question, but not a tough question. Okay. I will give you 3 minutes for this. Please complete this. Very good, Nabil. They are not independent. Noma, Josefa, Saf, is it done?
Yes, sir, not independent.
Good. Josefa and Noma, is it done?
Yes, sir, done.
Okay, okay.
Not
Josef,
independent.
okay, good. Saf, sorry, Josefa, is it done? Josefa, please reply me on the chat box. So this was type 1, okay, where you need to check the events are independent or not. Second, we have a word problem, where from the question you need to first decide it is independent or not. Then you have to use this formula. Okay, P intersection means P, A and B. So I will give you a question here. This is type 2. Josefa, please reply me on the chat box. Okay, for the last question. The question is a bag contains a bag okay, Josefa, they are not independent. Okay, bag contains 5 white, 7 red, and 4 black balls. 4 black balls. Okay, if 4 balls are drawn, if 4 balls are drawn if 4 balls are drawn one by one, okay, without replacement, without replacement, what is the probability? What is the probability? What is the probability that none is white? That none is white. Okay. First of all, please tell me that this is a independent event or not. Please tell me this is independent or not. Who can tell me? Nabil, the events are independent or not? No idea. Saf, events are independent or not?
So I'm unable to see the screen.
You're not able. Everyone have the same issue?
No, sir.
Okay. Saf, I will again. But Saf, still the same problem?
No, it's okay, sir.
Okay. So Noma, can you tell me these are independent events or not? You are drawing a 4 ball one by one. Okay, sorry, I will write with replacement. Okay, Noma, now tell me, these are independent or not?
They are not independent, sir.
Yes, they are independent. But if you are not replacing the ball, okay, you are drawing the ball and you are not replacing in the box, then the events are not independent. Okay, now in this case, these are independent. Now you can use the same formula. Okay, now you are drawing the 4 balls. So for the 4 events, what will be the formula? This will be PA into PB into PC into PD, because the conditional probability will not affect. Okay, so this will be the formula. Now please try this question and share your answer. Even you can do the calculation later on. Okay, just tell me what the answer you're getting. This is a simple question. I will give you just 5 minutes. Okay, there's no need to do the complete calculation right now. You can just tell me the answer. Anyone get the answer for this? Seth, are you getting?
No, sir.
Okay. Uh, yes. No, Nabil, you are doing a mistake here. First thing, you need to decide that this is an independent event or not. Now, in this question, they are saying that you are drawing a ball one by one with replacement. That's mean you are drawing a ball, you are checking its color, and again replacing in the same box. So that means these are the independent events. Okay. Now, what is A be the event of getting first? Okay, they are saying that none is white. First First, not white ball. Okay. B, second, not white. C, third, not white. D, fourth, not white. Okay. Now, PA. So, Saf, please tell me how many not white ball you have. Saf?
11.
11. Okay. So, from this 11, we are drawing a one ball. What's the total ball?
Sir, can you repeat?
Yes. What are the total balls you have?
16.
16. 16 C1. So, this is equal to 11 by 16. Okay. Next, you have PB. So, PB means again 11. Okay, because you are again replacing in the same box 11 C1 by 16 C1, which will give you 11 by 16. Again, now PC will be what? 11 C1 by 16 C1. So this is again 11 by 16. PD is what? 11 C1 by 16 C1. So this is again 11 by 16. So PA intersection B intersection C intersection D, what will be this? Is equal to 11 by 16 into 11 by 16 into 11 by 16 into 11 by 16. This is clear, Saf?
Yes, sir.
Okay, Nabil, is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay, Josefa, Noma, is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay, Josefa, is it clear? Okay, so please, all of you note down this, raise your hand, then we will do next question.
Sir, shouldn't we like find out P intersection A, B, and C separately?
Sorry, shouldn't we?
Find out P of A intersection B intersection C intersection D separately and compare the both so
Okay,
that we
okay,
can
okay.
calculate this.
No, in this question, they are not asking you to check whether the events are independent or not. Okay, here you need to solve the question. So there's no need to find out the LHS and RHS separately and then equate. There's no need for that. Okay, and in this question, Saf, you can't find this directly. Okay, so you need this one. Okay, so in such a cases, first of all, you need to analyze the question and check whether it is independent or not. Okay, is it done? Shall we start next question?
Yes, sir.
Josefa, Noma, Nabil, is it done?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, okay, great. Next question. Next is a bag contains three red and five black balls, and a second bag and a second bag contains six red and four black balls. Four black balls. Okay, a ball is drawn. A ball is drawn from each pack. Is drawn from each back. Find the probability. Find the probability. Find the probability that both are that both are first is red, second is black. Please try this question. I will give you 3 more minutes. Please complete this. Uh, first should be 9 by 40 Ceph. So total balls are 358. Okay, and in
Yes, sir.
next, okay, it should be 9 by 40. Okay, then your answer is correct. Please share the second one, and all of you, please share the answer for this one. Very good, sir. It is correct. Very good. Anyone else get the answer? Nabil, is it done? Nabil, is it done?
No, sir.
No. Shall I solve this? Nabil, shall I solve this question?
Sir, is the first one 9 by 16?
9 by 40. Okay. Let A be the event of getting a red ball from first bag. First bag. Okay. What is B? Red ball from second bag. So PA intersection B is what? Is equal to PA into PB. Okay. What is PA? PA is 3 red ball by 8. What is PB? 6 red ball by 10. So you will get 18 by 80. Cancel out this 9 by 40. This is the first one. Second is A be the event of getting black ball. Black ball from first bag. From first bag. B black ball from second bag. Okay. PA intersection B is again PAPB. Now from the first you need a black, so 5 by 8 into from the second you need a black, so 4 by 10. Cancel out this 2, 4, 2. So you will get a 1 by 4. Is it clear, Nabil?
Yes, sir.
Okay, Josefa, Noma, is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay, Josefa, is it clear? So now the last type from the independent event is, please check this one. Next, type 3. Okay, type third.
Sir, could you just show the solution, sir?
Yes. Please let me know once it is done. Nabil, is it done?
Done, sir.
Okay, great. Now next type is on finding the probability on finding the probability of occurrence of at least one event for independent for independent events. Okay, so this is a very good type because we can use the method of this type in some other questions also. The question is a bag contains 5 white, 7 red and 8 black 8 black balls. Four balls four balls are drawn one by one with replacement. What is the probability What is the probability that at least one is white? At least one is white. Okay, this is a very, very good question. Okay, even this type is very good. So always remember, note down this word at least. In probability, whenever you are getting a question for at least, then you have to use this method only. First of all, tell me, who can tell me, Nabil, what is mean by at least? What is mean by at least one is white? Nabil, what is mean by at least one is white?
Minimum one should be white.
Minimum one should be white. Okay, and there is a possibility that there are also the ball more than one, more than one can be white. Okay, always remember. Okay, suppose PA. If I will give you PA is 1/2, then Saf, please tell me what is PA not? Saf, what is PA not?
1/2.
Yes, 1 minus PA. Okay, you know this formula. So whenever you're finding not, then we will use 1 minus probability PA. So this is equal to 1 minus 1/2, which will give you 1/2. So always remember, if you are finding PA naught, that means PA is given if you are finding opposite of this. PA naught is what? It is opposite of PA. If you're finding PA naught, then the formula will be 1 minus PA. Now probability that at least one ball is white, one ball is white. Okay, please check the upper formula. Here PA naught is what? It is the opposite of PA. So we have written 1 minus PA. Now prove that at least one ball is probability that at least one ball is white is equal to 1 minus opposite of this. Who can tell me what's the opposite of this statement? Probability that at least one ball is white. Tell me the statement opposite of this. Probability that at least one ball is white. What is the opposite of this one?
Probability that at most one ball is white.
But in at most, there will be some cases which are there in at least. You are saying at most one.
Probability that the ball is not white.
Yes, 1 minus probability that none of the ball is white. Very, very good, Nabil. Okay, so always use this formula. This is a very, very good formula. So whenever you are solving a question of at least, then use this formula 1 minus opposite of at least. So what is the opposite of at least? That none of the ball is white. Okay, now a bag contains this. Four balls are drawn one by one with replacement. With replacement means this is a case of independent event. What's the probability that at least one is white? So we will find 1 minus probability none of the ball is white. So we will take a event that the first ball is not white. That the first ball is not white. Is not white. Okay. We will take B event that second ball is not white. Second ball is not white. Okay. C. Third is not white. D. Fourth is not white. Okay. So what we need to find here, we need to find 1 minus probability A. First is not white, second is not white, third is not white, fourth is not white. As these are all are independent events, so this is equal to 1 minus PA into PB into PC into PD. Now, please tell me, is this formula clear to everyone? Because in all the at least type of questions, you have to use the same formula, 1 minus 1 probability none. Is this clear? Josefa, Saf, Nabil, Noma?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Josefa, Nabil, Noma, is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, okay, good, good. Okay. Okay, Josefa, very good. So now we will find all the values. 1 minus what is PA? So I will erase this one. Okay. Now PA means none should be white. So 5 are white. What are non-white ball? 15. 15 by 20. So 1 minus 15 by 20. So we will write here. P is what? 15 by 20, which is equal to 3 by 4. PB is what? 15 by 20, which is equal to 3 by 4. PC is what? 15 by 20 is equal to 3 by 4. PD is what? 15 by 20. So this is equal to 3 by 4. 1 minus 3 by 4 into 3 by 4 into 3 by 4 into 3 by 4. This you can solve later on. Okay. So I hope this is clear to everyone. Please note down this. This is a very, very good question. Please note down this and raise your hands once it is done. Is it done? Nabil, Huzefa, Saf, Noma?
1 minute, sir.
Okay. All of you, please let me know. Okay, once it is done, then I will give you one more question, then your class is over. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
1 minute,
Huzefa?
sir.
Oh, okay, okay, Saf. I will wait for you. Saf, done?
Done, sir.
Okay. Now, next, this is also a very good question. A problem in mathematics, a problem in mathematics is is given to three students whose whose chances of solving it are 1 by 2, comma 1 by 3, comma 1 by 4. What is the probability? What is the probability? What is the probability that the problem is solved? That the problem is solved. Okay. Who can tell me when the problem will be solved? Who can tell me? Noma, can you tell me when we will say the problem will be solved? There are three students, okay, and their probability of solving it are given. We need to find out when the probability will be solved. See, if one student will solve the problem, then we will say the problem is solved. If two students will solve it, you will say it will be solved. If three will solve it, we will say that it will solve. So we can say problem will be solved. Problem will solve when at least one student, when at least one student, when at least one student will solve the problem, will solve the problem. Okay, so you need to find probability that at least one student will solve the problem, will solve the problem, will solve the problem. Okay, you need to find this at least. So this is equal to 1 minus probability. None of the student will solve the problem. None of the student will solve the problem. Solve the problem. Okay, now please try this. You have okay, I will solve this because we don't have the time right now. None of the student will solve. So okay, so if I will say that I don't have the space, so if I will say that A be the event, that first student, A be the event, first student will solve the problem, will solve the problem. Okay, B is second student will solve the problem. C is third student will solve the problem. Okay, so that means what we need to find, 1 minus probability that first will not solve, second will not solve, and third will not solve. So this is equal to what? 1 minus PA naught into PB naught into PC naught. Okay, I don't have the space, so I will write here. Okay, so PA naught will be what? 1 minus PA. What is PA here? 1 minus 1 by 2. So this will give you 1 by 2. PB naught will be what? 1 minus PB. So this is equal to 1 minus 1 by 3. So this is equal to 2 by 3. PC naught is what? 1 minus PC. So this is equal to 1 minus 1 by 4. So this is equal to 3 by 4. Okay. So I hope this is clear to everyone. Now you just need to put all these values here. So it is 1 minus 1 by 2 into 2 by 3 into 3 by 4. Okay. Cancel out this 3, 2. So you get 1 minus 1 by 4. So this is equal to 3 by 4. Okay. This is also a very good question. Now please note down this, raise your hands. Okay, then we will end our class. Now the homework is assignment 2. No one has shared. Okay, please complete assignment 2 also. Okay, and assignment 1. Both. If you don't have the time, then please do some questions. Okay. Now raise your hands once it is done, then we will end the class. With you, so please complete it. And next Saturday, we will start a new topic. Okay,
Thank you, sir.
you're welcome. Saf and Nabil, is it done?
No, sir.
Okay, okay. Please complete it.
Done, sir.
Continue this. Okay, Nabil, is it done?
Thank you, sir.
You're welcome. Is it done, Nabil? Nabil, my voice
Yes,
is on.
sir.
Okay, okay, Nabil. Then please complete the homework.